Welcome! Today, we're making the classic French dessert Crème Brûlée, a rich, silky vanilla custard topped with a perfectly crisp caramelized sugar crust. It looks elegant, tastes amazing, and is surprisingly easy to make at home. Here's what you'll need: 2 cups heavy cream, 5 egg yolks, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, or 1 vanilla bean, a pinch of salt, extra sugar for the caramelized topping. Pour the heavy cream into a saucepan and heat it over medium heat until it's hot but not boiling. Stir in the vanilla extract or scrape in the seeds from a vanilla bean for a richer flavor. In a bowl, whisk together the egg yolks, sugar, and a pinch of salt until the mixture becomes smooth and pale yellow. Slowly pour the warm cream into the egg mixture while whisking continuously. This prevents the eggs from scrambling and creates a smooth custard. Strain the custard through a fine sieve, then divide it evenly among ramekins. Place them in a baking dish and pour hot water into the dish until it reaches halfway up the sides of the ramekins. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes until the edges are set, but the center still has a slight jiggle. Remove the ramekins from the water bath. Let them cool to room temperature. Then refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or overnight for the best texture. Sprinkle a thin, even layer of sugar over each custard. Use a kitchen torch to melt and caramelize the sugar until it turns deep golden brown and forms a crisp shell. If you don't have a torch, you can briefly use your oven's broiler. Tap the top with a spoon to crack through the caramelized sugar and reveal the smooth, creamy vanilla custard underneath. That's homemade crème brûlée. Simple, elegant, and absolutely delicious. Enjoy!